Hi guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off comments on your post. Watch the video till the end. It's easy. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if Instagram is updated. If not, click on Update. After that, go to Instagram. Click on your profile icon. When we click, our profile page will open with our posts. Here we can see various options. Click on the desired post. When our post opens, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. A list of options will open. Here we will find the option Turn off comments. Click. Now no one can comment on your post. To enable comments again, click on the three dots and click on Turn on comments. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.